Today we're going to show you a quick little install on the Mopeka tank monitors and battery replacement. We've already been using them, like it so far, and you know, the colder weather kind of saps these little button cell batteries pretty bad. And of course, you know, let's face it, they put the cheapest batteries they can in them, so we're going to put a little bit better quality in them. So to open these up, just a little screwdriver and our press fit, pop it on one side, and then there you go. That's the little offending battery we're going to replace, and then we're going to resynchronize our sensors to our onboard monitor and to our phone apps. So I'm going to set this down and get to work. So we've replaced our battery, and now we're going to resynchronize our sensor to our onboard unit. So if you'll follow me indoors, we'll go ahead and do that. So according to the instructions, you should only have to push the sync button once, and then press and hold that. And I don't think it works, so we're going to have to try again. Alright. We'll put it on our full tank and see if it is synchronized. And while we have our tank inverted, we'll show you the little halo ring, because you need a spacer. And we'll reset that. Okay, let's see if our sensor's synchronized to the monitor. And look at that, we got a full tank because we just went and filled that one. So that one is now synchronized. Okay, we're going to do the next one, and that's it. Pretty cut and dry. Alright, so we just decided to double check that we're still synchronized with our app, and we are. We're showing one full bottle, the one sensor that we just put on. The other sensor we don't have currently on a bottle, that's why it's showing empty. And looks like everything's working the way it should.
You should explain the ring.
The ring, the halo ring? Okay. So, I bought the additional halo ring. It's a little rubber ring that sits on the bottom of the propane bottles. They come with little aluminum spacers, but reading other reviews and looking at them, looks like something that would fall off, get lost pretty easy. So we went with the little spacer rings instead of the clips, because you got to have enough clearance for the sensor in the bottom of the bottle mount, because otherwise it'll squish it and it won't work. There again. Like, share, subscribe. Love us!